Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making my own DIY deep conditioner, so stay tuned. In here I have avocado and banana. Avocado contains vitamins which protect and strengthen the hair, while banana contains potassium, and banana also adds shine to hair. The next ingredient I'll be adding is honey. Honey is a humectant and also an emollient. Honey adds moisture and shine to hair. This is neem powder. Neem has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It also encourages hair growth. The next ingredient is almond oil. It contains vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant. This is avocado oil. Avocado oil penetrates and moisturizes the hair shaft. It also prevents breakage. So guys, this is what it looks like. The next thing I'll be adding are fresh aloe vera leaves. I got these aloe vera leaves by the roadside, so I'm going to be removing the spines with my knife. So when I'm done removing the spines, I'm going to be cutting it into two to scrape out the gel using a spoon. Guys, this is so easy to do. Aloe vera acts as a great conditioner. It leaves the hair very smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth. It prevents itchy dry scalp. It reduces dandruff, and it also conditions the hair. I'm going to be adding the aloe vera gel into the blender, so I'm going to be blending everything together. The next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to be brewing this tea. This tea contains ginger, lavender, chamomile and rosemary. This is going to be like the water that I'm going to be adding to the mixture. So I'm done blending it. The next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to be straining it with this sieve to remove any lumps in it. So I'm already done straining it. This is what my DIY deep conditioner looks like. I love the consistency. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one.